How to fix Netflix, your payment is pending. In the meantime, browse TV shows and movies. Now, if you're getting this error message, all you need to do is to go to Netflix, then sign into the main account, which you used to pay with, and then you will go to the account section. Then once you're taken to the account section, then we will scroll down until you see the option for manage payment method. Here you will click on manage payment method and you just want to re-enter your card information. So you will click on update and then make sure all of your card information is correct. And also you need to make sure that you have sufficient funds in your card. So make sure you have enough money to pay for your Netflix membership. If that doesn't work, then you can try changing the payment method and you will use another card if you have another one, and that should fix the issue. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.